Hey guys, what's up? Ricky Carmichael here at Lake Elsinore for the RCU, and not too early, about 9 o'clock, ready to get things going. It's going to be really fun today. We got a really good program, some great instructors on hand. I got to give it up for all my sponsors who make this event possible with Monster Energy. We got Fox, Kinetic Gaskets, Oakley, and not only that, just the personnel and everyone at Lake Elsinore for letting us use the facility. It's a great place. These guys made some great improvements out here, and it's going to be fun. We want everyone to walk away with a great experience and learn and try to improve on their skills at the same time. Really excited, and this event has taken a life of its own due to the hard work of a lot of people and a lot of sponsors. So looking forward to it. We're going to have a good day today.